The world is changing fast. The demands on enterprise IT are growing exponentially. As remote working becomes the next normal, with employees working anywhere, anytime, expecting fast, personalized, consumer-like experiences. And with the explosive growth of endpoints, edge devices, and the data they generate, the cybersecurity threats are reaching catastrophic new heights. Hyperautomation, powered by advanced artificial intelligence, machine and deep learning, is the only way to rise above these challenges. Ivanti Neurons are hyperautomation bots you need to transform your enterprise. Autonomously self-heal endpoints and edge devices, anticipate security threats, and self-secure with adaptive cybersecurity, and deliver contextual, personalized user experiences. Significantly improve the accuracy, speed, and cost of services. Our customers reduced unplanned outages up to 63%. Resolved up to 80% of endpoint issues before users reported them. Discovered 30% more assets, improving security posture. Decreased time to deploy security updates by 88%. Ivanti Neurons, always on, always working. Augmenting your IT teams with automation bots. Detect and resolve issues and security vulnerabilities. Proactively, predictively, autonomously, without impacting user and business productivity. Self-heal, self-secure, self-service, from cloud to edge with Ivanti Neurons.